The general equation of a circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, where we know a equals to negative g, b is negative f, and you know c is as we got earlier, we got c to be a square plus b square minus r square. So we have a square plus b square minus r square. Now I can make r the subject here, radius. So we have r square to be equals to a square plus b square minus c. What I've done is just to take this to the left hand side and to bring c the right hand side. R, which is the radius, is the square root of a square plus b square minus c. And you know that when we have r, when we have a, when we have b, we can describe a circle. A and b are the coordinates of the center of the circle, while r is the radius of the circle. Question here goes, find the center and the radius of a circle whose equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. So for this question now, I'm not going to use this equation because we already have the equation. I'm going to rather use this formula, the general equation of a circle, which is given as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So already you know that a and b, the coordinates are the center and r is the radius. For a now, recall that a equals to negative g and b is negative f, while r equals to the square root of a square plus b square minus c. So I'll compare the general form of the circle. I'm going to compare it with this equation now. Of course, you can see this is compared with this, this is compared with this, then this will be compared with this. So when I do that, I'm going to have positive 2gx equals to negative 6x. Of course, you can see why we are comparing these two, because they both have x. Alright, so x goes, then I have g to be negative 6 divided by 2, and that will give us negative 3. That means my a equals to, remember here, a is negative g. Since a is negative g and g is negative 3, it means that a is 3. Then I compare this with this now. I'm going to have 2fy, of course you know it's positive, equals to positive 4y. This goes, we have 2f equals to 4, so f equals to 2. 4 divided by 2, f equals to 2, and you know that b is equals to negative f. B now will be equals to negative 2. So I have a and b, that's the center of the circle. I have it to be 3 and negative 2. So next, I've gotten one part of the question. Now to get the radius now, I'm going to use this formula here. I'm going to use this. Now for me to get, I have a already. I have a to be 3. I have it here already. I have b to be negative 2. Now c will be gotten by comparing this with this. So c equals to negative 3. So I've gotten c right away. Now that means I can put a now, I can put b now, I can put c, right into this equation to get the radius. So I'll have r equals to square root of a square is 3 square, 3 plus negative 2 square minus negative 3. That's c, which I got to be negative 3. So I will have r to be square root of 9 plus 4 plus 3. That's minus times minus. So I'll get r to be 9 plus 4, 6, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. I have r to be equals to 4. By this, I've gotten the second question, the center and the radius. What I did here was to compare the general equation of the circle with the given equation of the circle. I got my constant, I got my coordinates a and b, and I got my constant c, which I later used to get my radius. Thank you for watching. Please, I would like you to subscribe if you haven't, like and share this lesson. Thank you for watching.